2020 Honda CR-V oil change reminder reset. We got 15% left. Anyways, we're going to turn the key on. We're not going to push the brake. We're just going to go and turn it on. Push it twice, maybe 3 times. We're going to get it to come up. Then we're going to go over to the infotainment center. We're going to click home. It's going to take us home. We'll go and click vehicle settings, or we'll click settings. Then we'll go into vehicle. Then we're going to scroll down. We're going to go in maintenance. Then select reset items. So we'll go oil and filter. We're going to reset that. And we'll go back here to maintenance info again. We just put tires on as well, so we'll reset his tires. And that's it. Right on. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel.